Hey everyone, I'm making my curb out of 8 feet by 8-inch siding. It's a lot cheaper. It's only about 21 bucks, and it's very flexible. You can bend it to almost any shape. What I did was I cut it in half to 4 inches. So take a jigsaw like this. Take a jigsaw, cut it in half, 4 inches all the way across. See, if you get all the way across 4 inches, throw this piece. You won't need this piece, but you'll need the piece with the lip. Okay, make sure you keep the one with the lip, because the lip is the one that you're gonna do a cross brace with. Okay, so let me cut this one another 2 inches. Then I'm gonna go ahead and the way I had this here, I'm gonna follow this curb all the way around. Okay, so let me cut this one another 2 inches. Then I go ahead and put it together. Then I'm gonna brace it with some nail braces that I purchased at Home Depot, and I'll show you what it's gonna look like. And then when I pour the concrete, I'm hoping that it will hold. So good luck to me, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. All right, bye.